Oh, hey, my kitties. Let me just unpack. Oh, if you did not know, this week's color is red. But I didn't have a red tie. My only other red tie is on a different LPS. So, yeah, that's why. But, if you did not subscribe yet, please click down below if you like my quality. Thanks for watching. I'm going to pack this up, and then I'm going to leave to show you the skit. Oh, I might have accidentally pressed the start button. I'm going to put this away real quick, and I'll film again. Second. Let's just put that in. Now I'm going to close. Sorry about the light. There we go. Now, let's go. This is gonna take forever. Oh, hey. This is my room. This is the food. I have to pack everything else. Wanna help me? Let's get my diary first. Here it is. I'm gonna take this off. I'm gonna put this in here now. Let's open it. Okay, I'm gonna put it in. Okay. Okay, I got it in. Now let's put a pen in there. Okay. Here we go. Okay. Let's open this. Okay. This should work. Can't believe that it actually fit. The last thing I need is my sister and a blanket. I'm gonna go grab my blanket right now. Here's my blanket. Okay. I'm gonna fold it up and then wait. I'm gonna call my sister, get my sister in here, and then we're probably gonna go on the plane. Lucy! Coming. 1 second. Okay, I'll help you. Okay, we're almost there. OMG, what happened? It's okay. You can leave now. Okay. Oh, no, really, what happened? I fell down the stairs. Oh, that makes more sense. Oh my god, I'm starting to fall too. That makes more sense. But we have to go on an airplane. How are you going to go on the airplane? With your help. Wow. Not good to say. Ow. I'm gonna keep packing. How about this? I'll pack for you too. Okay, stop falling. It's okay. I got it. I'm gonna put my glasses on, then we could probably go. Okay, I'm gonna go now. Bye. I feel so bad for my sister. But it's summertime, so we could probably swim once we get there. Oh, by the way, we're going to New York. I'm gonna finish packing, and then I'll be right back. Peace out. Come on, Lucy, hurry up. I'm waiting for you. Coming. Sorry, I was just having a little something to drink. It's okay, but we should really go. We have to wait here for the plane, though. Okay. Oh, I think I see it. Come on. I'm gonna get the stuff. It won't fit in any of those, so I guess put it in one of these. I'll just put it right here. Oh gosh. So messy. Lucy's phone. Wonder what she put on it. I'm coming. Oh no. Okay, shoot. Get my glasses back. You know what? It's fine. Finally. I'm coming. Oh. It's okay. I'll pick you up. And fuck her up to Okay. I'm gonna sit here and watch the show for now. Okay. I'm gonna go on my phone. Oh. See, Dynamite.